Hello everyone, my name is Chaitanya More. Today's date is 1st April 2024. Today's video topic is thoughts on internet. In this video, we will discuss about the topic of thoughts on internet in brief. So, internet is a wide network of computer that enables user to access information from anywhere, anytime across the location world. It is a global resources that is available to everyone to access easily as well. So in this video, we will discuss the application of information transfer and the advantages and disadvantages of the internet. So what is internet? The internet is a technology that is considered to be the global system of interconnected computer networks. The internet protocol suits TCP/IP, that is transmission control protocol. Internet protocol enables communication among devices and networks. One can connect with anyone worldwide and access any information through the internet. So whenever a user visits a website, the computer sends a request over physical cables such as fiber optic cables to the server. When the request arrives, the server retrieves the website and sends back accurate data to the computer that request. It requests it the term World Wide Web and Internet are often interchangeably. However, the World Wide Web (WWW) is an information system useful for accessing the internet. With the internet, user can access and communicate instantly with anyone in the world without considering location. In in this includes conferencing, internet calls, emails, chats, and other social media applications. Social media agencies such as Internet Assigned Number Authority (IANA) is establishes universal protocols. So, what is the features of Internet? First one is provides the access to the information. The internet is the biggest encyclopedia of information. It consists of a huge repository of information through websites, digital libraries, and scientific papers and articles. Next is information exchange. It serves as a platform where information can be exchanged among people from the corner of the world without considering location. Next is help in networking. The internet provides the platform where people can connect and network with the other people through the internet. It helps in the building network and socializing. Next is applications of internet. The internet has many applications due to which it has become an unlimited resources of information. So first application is World Wide Web, a global collection of documentation, application, and other resources interlinked to the hyperlinks and referenced with the URLs. The main access of protocols of WWW is HTTP. Through HTTP, communication between systems and information transfer, sharing and exchanging business data is possible. Currently, Web 1.0, Web 2.0, and Web 3.0 are the three versions of WWW. Next is connectivity. There are several ways of communicating through the internet with the anyone worldwide. The connection with the anyone worldwide user can connect through email, social media, and video conferencing applications. Next is data transfer. One of the most important application of internet is data transfer, you can share unlimited data with the anyone to worldwide through the internet. So file sharing is the way to share the data through the internet. So that's it for today's video. Thank you.